welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can recover your email if you forgot the password. Now, this is not going to be applicable for everyone, since this is this is quite very what can I say? It is not really that effective, such as in other accounts, because Google has a very strict policy regarding its accounts. And yeah, so if I head over here and for example, I have another Tech Idea Gmail named TechIdea39409. So over here, if I do forgot email, it asks me for a phone number or email. So if I type in TechIdea39409 @gmail.com, it's gonna ask me for the names and all that. Now, I don't know the names, I don't remember the names, but I'm just gonna assume I did something like this, right? And it says there's no evidence with that. So if I try to change it up and do Idea Tech, same results. So it's not really gonna work. So how can you recover an email? So once you create an email, you want to head over to your settings, as in manage your Google settings. Once you manage your Google settings, over here there should be something with security, and over here, as you can see, set a recovery email. Now I'm just gonna set a recovery email, and the email is gonna be and the recovery email is gonna be, first I'll need to verify myself. And now that I have myself verified, I'm just gonna put in this email that I have on the side. So with this email in, now this email is gonna be my recovery email. Now it says it sent me a 6-digit code. The 6-digit code is, I don't know where the 6-digit code is. It sent it to my phone. Maybe I'll ask for a new code. Anyways, you're gonna get a 6-digit code, and the code is gonna be, it sent me the code to my phone, since I have the email logged in from my phone as well. So I'm just gonna do yes, it was me, and done. Still waiting on the code. Okay, so the code was sent to this email. Now I'm just gonna copy that code, put that in, and then I'm gonna just verify, and that's it. So now if I ever lose my password for this account and I choose a recovery, my recovery email is gonna be this account. So yeah, that's how you can keep your account safe, and that's how you can recover your lost Gmail account. But if you do not have a recovery email set, as well as no phone number set, it's gonna be very hard and difficult. You could try to do this way I showed you in the beginning, but you will need to make sure you put in the proper first name and last name, or else it's not really gonna work. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.